Good afternoon, guys. I'm Advocate Sanjay Arya from a Lexis company. Today, I'm discuss about the Transfer of Petition Act, which comes under the Section 22 to 25. Meaning of the Transfer Petition Act. Transfer petition. Transfer petition is a petition filed before the court for purpose of transfer their case from one court to another court. The party who intend to get his case transfer must file a transfer petition to court, and court decided whether or not the case is transferred based on the relevant ground. When this transfer petition filed, the first and foremost objects of every procedural law is to provide a justice that it is a fair and unbiased. In India, both the Code of Civil Procedure 1998 and the Code of Criminal Procedure containing the provision of transfer of cases. The section 2225 of the Code of Civil Procedure containing the law related to transfer and the withdrawal of suit, appeal, other proceeding from one court to another. The section 406 to 408 of the Code of Criminal Procedure containing the law regarding the transfer of case and appeal. The transfer petition when filed under the Code of Civil Procedure. When there is inconvenience on the part of plaintiff. Please note it, everyone. Generally, the plaintiff has a right to choose his own forum where a suit can be filed in more than the one court. The right of plaintiff cannot be cruelty or interfered, but this is right can be controlled by the superior courts. In the cases of this is a judgment related to the Transfer of Petition Act. In the case of Jagat Guru Sri Shankaracharya versus Rajmir Tripathi, it was absorbed by the Madhya Pradesh High Court. The plaintiff has a arbiter has a right to choose his own forum, and that right should be interfered with the exception on every strong ground. Therefore, it is at most important that the plaintiff chooses his own forum according to his convenience. A court may be transfer any suit keeping in view relevant consideration after the transfer is presented before court by the plaintiff. The court will allow the transfer as per the convenience of plaintiff if a ground is specified by the plaintiff or the such transfer appears to court to be extreme importance for a fair and impartial trial. When there is an inconvenience on the part of the defendant, according to section 22 of Code of Civil Procedure, the defendant can also make an application for the transfer of the suit where a suit may be instituted in more than the one crore. Defendant may, after giving a notice to other party, at the earliest opportunity possible apply. In all cases where issue are settled, at or before the settlement of issue for the suit to be transferred to the another court, the court where such application is made by the defendant shall, after the considering the objection if made by court parties, determine in which a court the suit shall proceed. The next point, when there is a reasonable apprehension in the mind of the litigant that he might not be get a justice in the particular court where the suit is pending. Very important point in the Transfer of Petition Act. If it is a paramount importance that the party before the court seeking a justice must get a satisfactory judgment, and also it is important for the litigant to show appropriate grounds which would form a strong basis for the transfer of case. If and only if a ground specified by the litigant as to why there is apprehension in mind is reasonable and sound, then only the court shall approve the transfer petitions to file, where a transfer would avoid unnecessary expenses and delay. The transfer petition filed by the party can also specifically the ground that such a transfer would lead to avoidance of unnecessary expenses and delay to party involved. This generally happen in cases where a matrimonial matters are involved, in divorce cases where the wife leaving her husband houses and started residing in parental house in the different place or city or state, and the wife is unable to transfer all the alone. She cannot leave her children alone, where she lacks money for the suit can apply for the transfer petition on a such ground for the speedily trial in less. Thank you everyone for the listening.